Many think you need tons of cash to make a difference in your life, but even a small amount can help a lot. You don't need to be rich to see the good it brings. By being smart about how you use and save money from the start, you can feel its benefits soon, not only after decades like some people say. Money helps us in many ways we might not always see. Just a bit of smart money handling can change your life in big ways. If this doesn't push you to be better with your cash, I don't know what will. Think of a person who uses all their money as soon as they get it and saves nothing. You might picture someone with a low salary, but some people with good salaries do this too. Sadly, because they don't have extra money, they always worry about it. Missing even one day of work is hard for them, since it means less money and more problems. Think about having a good amount of money saved, ready for emergencies. It's like a safety net, always there to help when unexpected money problems come up. You may not have enough to stop working, but with this saved money, you'll rest easier. You're prepared for sudden costs, like a health problem or a big car repair. This saved money helps make those surprises easier to handle. Having some money can make a big difference. It gives you freedom and choices in life. With this extra money, you don't always worry about bills, letting you follow your heart and dreams. Money lets you use better chances and tools. For example, if you have a small savings, you can learn new things or get better at your job. This can mean you earn more money and find work that you really enjoy. Moving up in your job or starting your own business becomes easier. A good job can mean less worry, a nicer workplace, and feeling safer at work. All this can make you feel much better in life. Having money can help make your life better and happier. It lets you live in a good place with nice schools and safe areas. Or you can make your home nicer and more useful. This makes life more enjoyable and healthy. Money also helps in improving yourself and your job. If you have some savings, you can learn new things, like taking classes, going to special events, or even trying a new job without being scared about paying bills. With money, you can quickly grow in your job, and when you feel stable with money, you worry less. This means you can think more about your work and dreams without stressing about cash. Having some money lets you try new things and follow what you love. This could be a new hobby, playing sports, doing art, or helping others. Money always helps with traveling, letting you see new places without needing to be super rich. Money helps you feel free and independent. It gives you the chance to make decisions based on what you want, not just what you can afford. This means you could start a small business, take a break from work, or do special projects. With money saved up, you can decide how you want to live your life. In short, money affects how you live. This is more than just getting very rich or saving for when you're old. Even a little money can give you safety, chances, and fun moments that make life better. This means you can be happy and content at each part of your life. Being free from debt feels amazing. It's like letting go of a heavy weight you've carried for a long time. Think about the peace of not having to pay people back or always thinking about bills. Clearing old school loans or finishing car payments makes handling bills much nicer. It changes everything. When you don't owe money, you can relax and sleep well, knowing surprise costs won't mess up your plans. When you get paid, that money truly belongs to you, not just to clear debts or card dues. This fresh financial freedom shows many new paths. You can keep money aside for your dream trip, spend on things you love, or begin a small project you've often thought about. The worry and tension that usually comes with owing money can lessen, giving you a feeling of power and calm. Really, being without debt isn't only about having money. It's more about getting back your life, your decisions, and your calmness. Yes, you might not have millions and can't jet around or stay in multiple homes, but you'll still feel the good of no debts. Using money in smart ways can bring much joy. Rather than hiding money at home, you can make it grow by investing wisely. Think of your money as tiny seeds, and you're placing them in places like company shares, government papers, or houses. The great thing is that you can focus on what you truly like. The steps of studying, picking, and looking after your investments make you learn more about money trends. Seeing your money grow, maybe through shares, value increase, or house rents, gives a feeling of success and money control. Putting money into investments means making and hitting long-term goals, teaching you patience and self-control. These are important life lessons. The good feeling you get from successful money growth is more than just about the cash. It can make you feel more confident, give you a feeling of having power over your money's future, and make life more pleasing and rich. People who haven't tried investing might not get how it can be fun, but you only get it once you see how money can grow over time. As people see their money grow, it feels amazing, especially when it starts to become bigger than their main earnings. Even a little bit of money can mean a lot, especially when helping people you care about or giving to the community. Being smart with small amounts can open up many ways to help. You can support family in tough times, like giving a hand when needed or paying for school. And you can give to groups or causes that you care about. By giving to local groups, religious places or other charities, your help can make a big difference, bringing good change and leaving a mark on the world. Even a little money can help a lot in showing kindness and truly helping others. It could be helping kids learn, giving older family members healthcare, or donating to good causes. Using money this way can make you feel really good, better than buying things. As your money grows, you get benefits, not just at the end, but during the journey too. Some people say they don't save for their future because they want to use their money now, but that's not a smart idea. Every bit of money you can get can open new chances for you. Even a bit of money gives you safety and lets you make choices. It improves our lives, eases worries, and lets us pick things that match what we want and believe in. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more educative content, share my videos, drop a comment, and like this video.